Hi guys, this is Bob Johnson from Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff, and this week we're going to do a comparison to the Getac F110 and the Toughpad FZ-G1. Well, let's take a look at them. Number one, let's look at the size. If you notice, the FZ-G1 has a 10.1 inch touchscreen, whereas the F110 has an 11.6 inch touchscreen. So that's the first difference in these two units, is simply the size. If you take a look and I put them together, you'll see that the F110 is obviously bigger. But if you feel them, and the FZ-G1 seems a tad heavier, believe it or not, than the F110. So those are some of the things that, just on a visual basis, that I see as a difference. So the FZ-G1 has an i5 4th gen 2.0 gigahertz processor, more than enough to handle Windows 10. This particular unit comes with 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gig SSD. It has all the important ports that you come to expect. For example, over here in its dustproof and waterproof door, it comes with a HDMI port right here. It also has a USB 3.0 port. And this particular model that I have has an upgrade on the upgrade portion of it, where it's a smart card reader. So you can add a smart card reader. You can also add a hot swappable secondary battery to this upgrade port as well. So if you didn't want the smart card reader and you could get the battery, you could plug it in there. This particular unit that I'm holding here comes with the hand strap so that you can carry it around, and it will spin around like this. Pretty cool. So that you can walk around and use the stylus that would be here to do important work, whatever it is that you might be doing. On the back here, this particular unit can also be upgraded to include the extended life battery. So you'll notice how there's this additional thing sticking out of the back of the Toughpad. That's your double battery. So now you're getting a lot more battery life when you install one of these batteries. The normal battery will be flush with the housing of the rest of the Toughpad. So that's kind of this unit in a nutshell, so to speak. It does come with, if you buy it from us, it does come with Windows 10 and of course our warranty. Now let's talk about the F110, and I'm kind of partial to this tablet because A, it has a bigger screen. 1 inch doesn't seem like a lot when you're talking about it, but look at the difference in size. You get a lot more viewable space here. It also has upgrade slots. So on the back here, this particular unit has the RF reader, your smart card reader, contactless smart card reader. The Getac F110 has all the important ports that you come to expect, like this particular unit came with the NIC port and a USB port here, as well as an audio port. So you can plug your earphones in there and listen. The FZ-G1 didn't have an audio port on it. This unit comes standard with 2 battery ports. So to have 2 batteries in this unit is not an upgrade. Beneath here, there's 2 slots that you can put batteries in. So it'll run fine with 1 battery. If you need additional life, you pop another battery in there and now you have double battery. That's what I like about this unit. It's also lighter weight, and it comes with this upgrade port here, and this particular unit has your 9-pin serial port, which is important on some of the older testing equipment that you might be using. The processor on this is an i7 4th gen 2.6 gigahertz. So it is got a newer processor than the FZ-G1. Overall, it's a lighter weight, larger screen tablet as compared to FZ-G1. I will say that the FZ-G1 feels in my hands feels way more sturdy than the F110. But it still has your rubber corners just like the FZ-G1. It's still built to the same standard as the FZ-G1. Another nice feature about the FZ-G1 is it has this upgrade slot right here, and currently what's in here is the barcode reader. You can also add in an additional USB port here, or you could have an additional NIC port as well. So you are able to upgrade to additional ports by using this little slot right here. It also has a front and back web camera, so you can either take pictures like this or like this. The F110 also has front and back webcam as well, so you can take pictures either way. That's some of the nice things about that. And this is Bob Johnson from Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff. Thanks for watching today, and don't forget to hit that bell so that we can keep you updated on when we post new videos. Hope to see you next week.